in this video we'll be making a keychain.
And now I'm going to take my keychain piece here, and this is a jump ring. As we did before for pendant and earring, we're just going to open this jump ring like so using pliers and connect it with a piece. And fold it. Now you can see our keychain piece is ready with the jump ring. Now I'm going to take another jump ring, pull it open and connect it with the first one, and along with that we're going to connect our chain, and there we have it. Now just going to close this jump ring, tighten it a little. Yes, and there we have our keychain ready.
So this was our keychain. Share the photos of your keychain with me.